Good morning. Let's see what we have for today. Um, so the Nasdaq is still in this chop zone, trying to find direction. Had this strong rally, but a rejection here. Yeah, semiconductors also seem to be topping, and we're probably going to pull back. So, yeah, and there are a couple of subsectors in semiconductors like power semis and related that are trying to hold, but in general terms, I wouldn't get in there. Data center related sectors, even data center construction, running data centers, networking, cooling, all these sectors seem to try to be holding the fall. So let's see if we have some movements today or tomorrow before finishing the week. So STRL Flex also with a strong rally and a very tight range. It's looking decent for today. We have very large volume here, but it didn't have follow through. Let's see if they try again. SMTC also looking decent. I don't love this rally. It's a bit choppy, and yeah, the setup is choppy. So probably not the best for today. CLSK, X crypto related. Now pivoting to AI, looking kind of decent for today, but I there are not many setups that I love for today. Snow, there are certain stocks that are trying to bounce off the moving averages. The quantum sector, now this looks promising. So if it breaks, Ionic in particular, which was leading the sector, Okta, another cybersecurity name that is trying to hold the moving averages, and let's see if it breaks. And then in autonomous driving, we have AIBA and Aust. Aust is quite choppy, but attempted to move here with decent volume. So yeah, I don't expect a perfect setup. This is a sector that has been trying to move and made this amazing rally here. AIBA too. So let's see if they add him to move either today or tomorrow. GFS in the photonics and optical, this is another sector that is trying to hold the fall, but there are not many names. So I think this is going to be at the top for this sector too. I'm going to watch it. Again, very selective, but I probably won't pull the trigger in this one. CrowdStrike on cybersecurity. Also, all these stocks in the cybersecurity sector are kind of trying to make the same setup. So let's see if they move. They will probably move together. GRRR a bit behind also in cybersecurity. This is the first setup post base breakout. Very decent move here. So yeah, it may break in the hourly. It's not, I mean, I prefer CrowdStrike. Diode, another power semis stock. Incredible linearity here. Not the strongest, but very linear. So yeah, it may add to move today. It probably needs a few days. Yeah, it seems the setup seems a bit incomplete. Course, another data center name. It's decent in the hourly, but yeah, it moved yesterday, so it probably has to move sideways for at least a couple of days. And then in consumer brands, we have Victoria's Secret with this very nice post report, and especially they announced these changes in their marketing, and it's starting to look good. I don't know if it's gonna happen today, but it's gonna add another move, I think, before the weekend. So let's see. And Crackle Barrel with a very nice report, massive volume coming in here, and now it looks much better for today. So let's see how it behaves. And then Seiko. So these guys are in infrastructure, mostly connected to data center infrastructure. So let's see if they hold the fall as well. All right, that's my list for today. I don't expect anything to move with a lot of volume, but again, I'm going to be very selective and enter very small positions. All right, thanks for watching.